Hi everybody, Mr. Z here with some really fun stuff you beginning piano players can play right now, immediately. The first thing I want to show you is this little stadium riff. I had the privilege of doing this for the national premiere of Angels in the Outfield back in the 90s in front of 50,000 people doing this. So how do we do this simple thing? We look for middle C. How do you find middle C? You look for two black keys in the middle of the piano, right there. Under the first black key will lead you to middle C, so you put your thumb there. Now you know your fingers are thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5, pinky is 5, thumb is 1. So you play fingers number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then you click your fingers or you clap, and you do it in the rhythm of strawberry pie. Strawberry pie, strawberry pie. Now the second part of this, you bring your fourth finger up to the first black key in the group of 3, and you play fingers number 2, 3, 4, 5. You do it twice more, and then you return to the original C, D, E, F pattern, thumb 2, 3, 4. Now for additional support, bring your left hand pinky to the next lower C. How do you do that? Look for the next lower group of 2 black keys, right there. Under the first black key is bass C, little finger on bass C, and your fingering in the left hand would be 5, 4, 3, 2. Your second finger goes up here to F sharp, the first black key in the group of 3, and you play fingers number 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. That is very catchy, and let's do this. The next thing I want to show you is theme from a scary TV show from the 50s, late 50s. How do we do this? We look for the group of 3 black keys, right? We're looking for the second and third black key, and we want to put fingers 2 and 4. Fingers 2 and 4 on these notes. Play them together. And then your third finger is right in the middle, and you play 3 and 4. Return to the 2 and 4, and then you play your thumb on this note, E, which is under the second black key, and you play that with your fourth finger up here. So here's the pattern. 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, thumb 5, thumb 4. And down here, if you want to add some excitement, you add your fourth finger on this note F, under the first black key in the group of 3. Your third finger is on this note. Your second finger is on this note. And your thumb is on the third black key. So at some point it's... And here we go. And you'll scare the bejeebers out of anybody when you play that. The next thing I want to show you is a half step. But you play it in rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and accent the 9th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, accent. Something very easy. That's when sharks kind of approach. And one more thing I'd like to show you is you've heard that at arenas. I call this an interactive stadium riff. So what are we doing? We're playing what we call a Roman numeral 1 chord, based on the first note of the C scale. So we form a chord this way. C, we skip a note, and that's the 1 chord. And we go to the 4 chord. Now how do we do that? Our thumb stays home on middle C, all the other fingers move away. It's as if the thumb has been eating garlic and we love you, but we want to get away from you for a little bit. So we play the thumb, third finger on F, little finger on A. So it's all fingers up except the thumb, come back. And you can do it to the rhythm of let's go team, let's go team. If the left hand would be this way. Now in the left hand, only your thumb moves when you move from the 1 chord to what we call the 4 chord. And you play 5, 2, 1. So practice that. So fun things for you to do as a beginning pianist. So I remind you to play piano, have a ball, be fabulous, repeat. And Mr. Z signing off.